Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change currency on Roblox. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, as you can see, I need to sign into my Roblox account. As you can see, I am already in here. And first of all, I want to do is to go into settings section and go into settings. Once again here, the settings tool and go into settings, and inside here I want to scroll down. Now there was an update. Here you must choose a gender, the language and the theme. In here it should appear the country, but in this new update is no longer available. So what you guys want to do is to go in the part where you want to buy the items. Let's say for example you want to buy some gift card. So I want to choose gift card. It's gonna be popping out this new option, and here you want to choose the currency you are going to be working with. So if I am operating these dollars, for example, let's say that I want to look for, I don't know, so in here you are going to choose for me pick a gift card, and here I have currency. When I can choose here is that USD, card URE and GB, right? Then here into the physical card I can change that. So that's the reason why it's not longer available into your settings, because it's already enabled into your gift card. Now if you want to check it out, for example this store of Roblox, let's say I'm going to go into the avatar shop. Here I can see some categories. So as you can see, one appears free, totally of free. I want to scroll down and see, for example here appears PU 75, but this is one UH. For example here appears VUH 75, but this one UH was wrap lock suggest will not appear as different currencies actually. So as you can see, it was not that hard to look for that. And what I can do now, I'm going to go back and change the location. I'm going to try to look for Canada, and here I want to look for sharp gift card. For me, pick a gift, send a digital card or send a physical card. Let's say I want to look for this currency, and here appears my currency in different ways. So at the moment we can also able to use these 4 countries currencies. So I can only recommend you guys to secure with USD, because this is like the most international way to check it out. Here currencies, not if you are still like not too comfortable with this price. Let's say that I want to check it out. How much is 20, how much is 25 into the Mexican peso. So I just kidding here into my convert of Google search. I'm going to top in here 25 on the conversion in $501. So 501 Mexican festival. So at the moment there is the way that we can just try with the currencies on Roblox. So this is the way how you can change currency on Roblox. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.